Hey guys, Don Rycroft here again from RPM Steering and Suspension. Today we're going to do a product feature on our track bars. One of the things that we hear is, man, your track bars look boring. Well, boring is sometimes good. We don't have a bunch of huge forged pieces in the center with our logos all over it and all of that for a reason. A lot of those pieces are introducing sections where you adjust from, and the more sections that you put into this to adjust, the more can get loose. So what we have, like this is an introduction to our JT and JL track bar. This is our front track bar. It's one of the most simplistic track bars on the market, and it uses 1 3/8 281 wall DOM with a welded on fixed end at this end using a Johnny joint. It's still a rotational Johnny joint in there. It's not a rubber or vulcanized style end on the track bar. We do that for a reason. At the other end, we have our adjuster down here, which is going to be where you adjust your length back and forth. We don't introduce several pieces to that because the more pieces, again, the more adjustability sliders you put in, the more that track bar has a chance of coming loose or getting a little bit loosey when you're driving. So we make it very simple, very strong. This is actually one of our best sellers right here, is our JLJT front track bar. We offer these in the rear as well. Same thing, we're using a DOM 1 3/8 281 wall DOM. On the rears, we make them double adjustable, and that way you can adjust in and out based on where you're setting up the angle of your track bar in the back. You have a lot of adjustment in and out because of that. Bends are set correct for each Jeep model, from a JK to JL to JT. With our JT, we run an aluminum rear track bar that is actually just a straight bar. All of these can be found on our website under the suspension tabs for your model vehicle at rpmsteering.com.